Now let's talk about Felixbox. With Felixbox, we can easily build complex layout that work consistently across different screen sizes. Felixbox in React Native is a little bit different in Felixbox in CSS. Because if you have familiar with CSS or you have a web background, you have to know that they are shared a lot of things, but there's a little bit different between them. So let me show you. I cleaned up our code and we have here a view. Let's give it a style. Let's give it background color of tomato and give it Felix of 1. What you see here, we see here a view with tomato color fill the entire screen because we give it a Felix 1. What if we give it Felix half? Now it fill the half of the screen only. Okay, now let's return it to white and let's make the Felix is 1 and let's add another view. I made it self-closed tag because I'm not gonna put anything inside it, okay? Just I'm gonna give it a style. Let's give it a Felix of 1 and background color tomato and press save. What we see here? We see here a view with background color white as a container to another view with background color tomato and take the Felix of 1. What if we add another views? For example, let's add another views. Let's add one like this and add another one. The first one is tomato. Let's make the second one is blue and the third one is gold, for example, and let's press save. What we see here? We see here 3 views. Each one of them are taking the third of the screen. Why it does take the third? Because this take one Felix of 1 and this Felix of 1 and this Felix of 1. And since we have 3 here, so every one of them are taking the third of the screen. If we just make this 2, it's gonna take the half of the screen. Let's press save and see. Look, now because this is Felix 2, it takes the half of the screen. So it takes 2/4 and this take 1/4 and this 1/4. Now that's the basics of Felix. Over the next few lessons, we're gonna learn more and more about Felix and learn more properties.